In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an exercise entry from your MyFitnessPal app. Whether you've mistakenly logged a workout or just want to tidy up your exercise records, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure your diary perfectly reflects your activity levels. To start, you'll need to open the MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device. If you haven't been using MyFitnessPal recently, take a moment to ensure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Once the app is open, you'll see the welcome screen. Here, look for the login option. Tap on it to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. This is the email and password combination you used when you first set up your MyFitnessPal account. Don't rush through this. Take a moment to make sure everything is entered correctly to avoid any login errors. Once your details are filled in, go ahead and tap the login button again. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard of the app. This screen can look a bit busy, but don't worry, just focus on finding the Diary tab. It's usually located at the bottom of your screen and is your central hub for tracking your meals, exercises, and other diary entries. When the diary opens, it will display all your logged activities and nutrition information for the day. Scroll to find the section dedicated to exercise. Here's where you might see workouts you've logged previously, including the one you intend to remove. Now, to delete an exercise, you need to click and hold on the entry you wish to remove. This might feel a bit awkward if you're not used to this gesture, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Holding down on the exercise entry will bring up additional options that concern that particular activity. The final and crucial step is to select Delete Entry from the options presented. Once you tap Delete Entry, the exercise should disappear from your diary, effectively updating your records to reflect your actual activities. Don't worry if you accidentally delete the wrong entry. You can always re-add it by logging a new exercise. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed an exercise entry from your MyFitnessPal diary, keeping everything neat and accurate. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made managing your fitness journey just a little bit easier. If you have more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy tracking!